everyone, welcome to a new video of my channel Mi Cocina Fit. For today I bring you a recipe made with a mixture pizza flavor pancakes and 1 egg. We mix the ingredients in a bowl, and once we have the dough, we mold it to our liking. In this case, I have made spaghetti like this. We take them to boil for 5 minutes, and meanwhile we make the sauce by mixing an envelope of pomodoro sauce. This with 300 milliliters of hot milk. We combine the sauce with the pasta and gratin for 5 minutes in microwave, and we already have a delicious pasta with few calories. I hope you like it, and help me to share. Kisses to everyone.